In this video, we are going to see how to find a list of unique items which are present in a Excel sheet. Say we have a list of customers which have ordered clothes from us. Now, the list consists of all the customers. Some of the customers have ordered the things again and again. Now, what we want to do is basically find out what is the list of unique customers which are present in here. That is, how many unique customers are there. The list, say in this case, is only 23 lines, but how many customers are there in total in unique form. Say we want to find the list, so we'll select the cells where the list is present or the customers are present. Now go to data tab. In the data tab you will find sort and filter. In sort and filter, click on advanced. So when we click on advanced, we get the option filter the list in place or copy to another location. Now if we do filter the list in place, what it will do is it will delete all the rest of data. Say we do that and we say unique records only. So you can see it has just filtered it in this place. So what we want is not the thing which was done. What we can do is we can go to data, sort and filter advanced, click. We have selected that list earlier, so it is showing that list again. Now this time what we do is we copy it to another location, and in the copy to we select a particular cell where we want that to appear. Say we want that to appear here. So we select cell J4 and then click on unique records only, and then we click it. So you will see that the list of the customers have come here. The only problem or the only issue you will see is that the item which is there in the list on the first place will definitely come again. So customer 1 was the first item we started selecting from D4. So customer 1 is definitely going to come. You can see customer 1 has come again. So in total, if you see, we have only 10 unique customers. To avoid this error, what we can do is we can select the header also. So we can do it again, advanced, data advanced, copy to another location, and in place of D4 we start with D3 till the end of that data, then copy to, this time the location we will select different, that is say just beside that, and unique records only. Now you can see the customer number which was the first one has come, and the header has come again, but other than that the list of the customers is unique. So it is 1 to customer 1 to customer 10. So this is a method for finding unique items out of a long list. This was a very small data set, but depending on the data set which you are using, this feature will help you do this thing in a very fast way. Hope this feature of finding a list of unique items within a data set is clear to you. Thank you.